Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing two topics: integrating MS Excel and MS Word, then integrating MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. Before covering the topics, first understand what is integrating Excel. So, integrating Excel is the process of connecting and utilizing Excel spreadsheets with other software applications, platforms, or systems. It involves changing the data between Excel and other programs to automate processes, enhance data analysis, or streamline workflows. There are various ways to integrate Excel depending on the requirements and the systems involved. This integration enhances productivity, reduces manual effort, and enables better decision making based on comprehensive and up to date data. Let us begin with the first topic: integrating MS Excel and MS Word. So, normally we transfer the data by just copying and pasting it from one software to another. But in the case of integration, what happens is we link the data between both the softwares. To understand it better, let's do the example. I'm copying the table, and in the Word file you can see the paste option. Click paste special, select paste link, choose a Microsoft Excel worksheet object, and just OK. So the table is completely copied as well as linked with the Excel file. Harish has scored 20 marks in auditing. Now let's just change and check whether the changes that we are making in the Excel file are reflected in our Word file or not. If I change the 20 to 15, you can see that in my Word file, the changes in the marks of Harish are automatically updated. So this is how the process of linking works. Let us move towards the next topic: integrating Excel with MS PowerPoint. The steps would be similar to that in the case of MS Word. I'll copy the table, and in my presentation, that is the MS PowerPoint, go to paste special, select paste link, click on Microsoft Excel worksheet object, and OK. So now let's check whether the tables are linked or not. If I change Dilip's marks in auditing from 20 to 15, it will be updated. See, Dilip's marks in auditing are automatically updated in the presentation file. And also, we can open the spreadsheet by just double clicking inside the table and make any changes or any updations in the style or the data values, and that change will automatically be updated in our MS PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.